Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy and creative ice cream stick stand, also known as a kacharstand. This project is not only simple, but it's also a fun DIY activity that you can make at home. Whether you're looking to organize your desk or just want to get creative, this ice cream stick stand will be a perfect addition to your space. Materials: you'll need ice cream sticks, around 20 to 30 glue. Hot glue works best. A pair of scissors or ruler. Decorative items like paint, glitter or stickers optional. Step 1. Prepare your ice cream sticks. First, gather your ice cream sticks. If you're using sticks from actual ice cream, make sure they are clean and dry. You can also buy a pack of new ice cream sticks from any craft store. It's a good idea to measure the sticks using a ruler so you have a uniform size. Step 2. Start making the base. To create the base of your stand, place 5 ice cream sticks side by side, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Next, take 2 additional sticks and place them horizontally across the top and bottom of the 5 sticks, making a square or rectangular base. Use glue to secure them in place. Wait a few minutes for the glue to dry properly. Step 3. Build the walls. Once the base is ready, it's time to build the walls of the stand. Take 2 ice cream sticks and glue them vertically to the 2 sides of the base. Continue adding sticks, one by one, to build up the walls. You'll be gluing the ends of the sticks to the ones that are already attached. The height of the stand depends on how many sticks you want to add, but usually about 6 layers of sticks will create a sturdy structure. Now we will take a piece of paper and fold it in such a way. Then we will draw petals on it and cut them out. Once we cut the petals, we will open the flower. After that, we will cut 1 petal and apply glue to it. We will then paste it onto an ice cream stick in this manner. To make a stand for the ice cream sticks, we will follow these steps. Take a few more ice cream sticks and arrange them in the shape of a triangle. Use glue to stick the ends together. This triangular shape will serve as the base for the stand, providing it with stability. Next, take a few more sticks and vertically align them on each corner of the triangle. Attach them firmly with glue to ensure they stand straight and don't wobble. This will create the frame of the stand. For additional support, you can add another layer of sticks horizontally across the vertical ones. Glue them well, ensuring that each layer is firmly attached. This will add strength to the structure and make the stand sturdy enough to hold your flower or any other decoration you may want to place on it. Once the stand is fully assembled, allow the glue to dry completely before using it. You can also decorate the stand with paints, glitter, or any other decorative materials to make it more appealing. After everything is done, your paper flower on an ice cream stick will have a beautiful stand to display it on. This method not only teaches basic crafting techniques but also encourages creativity and imaginative play.